I've seen you can get these sticker packs on eBay, can't you?
Yeah, there's about 1,500 stickers on it.
1,500 stickers. Frankie. Fuck me, this is massive. Look how big that is. It's from America. America! Today is a new day. I think we're in Milton Keynes. I'm not too sure. I don't know. But we're here. The guys at Cricket Customs, and we're here to pick up a Caddy for Matt. Matt's got a Caddy, and we're picking it up. It's basically a rolling shell at the moment. And but it's quite interesting. It's got a sunroof, which was interesting to see. Now the guy we're getting it from has actually got a South African Bakkie pickup truck, which I've never seen before in person. So again, that was quite interesting to see. Is that what makes the South African ones different? Is this
yes, so
forward, isn't
you'll see it's got that on.
Yeah.
And then that's the bumpers for it, so it's a full-size bumper.
Yes. Because they do look just a tiny bit different, don't they, from the UK ones?
Yes. Yes, so it's got a bigger grille as well. So this is the grille, so it's got like a wide grille that fits into the space there.
Of course, yeah. Of course. Just
Other
so...
than that, they're pretty much the same.
Yeah, other than that. So interesting.
There's an axle stand under it.
Mate, those fenders are for a Bakkie, aren't they? Look at that. You can tell see the front. It's like at an angle. Yeah. This is where I ask that question again, where I say, are we going to get that car on this?
1, 2, 3, up and forward. A little bit more. Oh, okay, one left. Forward. There we are. So these got quarters. If you look at the door back here.
Oh wow, yeah, they don't. They don't.
Have a quarter.
That's interesting.
And the window winder is put back about 5 inches to clear the dashboard. When you
Really?
wind the window.
Wow. Didn't think of that. Oh mate, don't let anybody see you've got those tailgates.
No, there's another one.
Oh yeah, bloody hell. You hit the jackpot.
Yeah, so all of this part was imported about 6 months ago from South Africa.
Can you still get tailgates from South Africa?
Yeah. So they made this Caddy up until 2006 in South Africa.
Yeah, that's right. Oh mate, it's so cool. I've never actually seen a South African one in person. Like, you just see photos of them online, but yeah, very cool, mate. Very cool.
And it's like, I don't want to build the same one as everybody else.
That's exactly me as well.
That's why I like the US spec as well. That's nice. But yeah, I don't want to build the same one as everybody else.
Exactly. Got panels as well, man. Spoiled rotten.
It's going to be wide enough. Yeah. Cheers.
New tailgate. I mean, if you've got a spare 800 quid, I'm sure you could buy one of his tailgates.
I've got a full
you got one though, yeah.
Designs.
Can I see the little label there? What does it say?
It's for
Volkswagen of South Africa. That's cool. I like that. When's the last time you saw a Volkswagen Bakkie Caddy?
The other day.
From South Africa?
The other day when I come and looked at the
Oh, of course, you've been here before, yeah.
Okay, bro.
Mate,
Nice to meet you, mate.
nice to meet you.
Sweet. Have a good one, guys.
Cheers, mate. What do they say in South Africa? See you later, bro.
See you later, bro.
Bro.
Bro, that's the one.
See ya, bro. Right, guys, shall we go back to Buntingford? Is it? Did I say it right?
You said it right.
Buntingford. All right, bro.
Huh?
First things first.
Melted chocolate.
Nice. Look, they can have a magazine about trout and salmon, but not Volkswagens. I don't know why I give a shit so much. It's just cool to see, because obviously everybody in America really raves about the PVW. The search for PVW continues.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun dun dun. Just went to a Tesco, the weirdest looking Tesco I've ever seen. Looks like something from Athens. But had to get some more supplies. Don't worry, I'm not going to drink them all in one go. Would you mind explaining, like, oh God, I just inhaled so much of that.
Well, we're putting the red oxide on.
Yeah,
Where we've bare metaled it
yeah,
to kill the rust. And yeah, that's what red oxide does. It's good for covering over
yeah.
bare patches and where the rust is, and it should kill it all off. And it makes it all be very nice, ready
Yeah.
to go for when we shoots it tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we've also got some holes, which I'd love for you to teach me how to weld a little hole like that. Giggity. I'd love, because there's obviously a couple, but that's the main hole there.
Yeah, that is the main hole. That does do a foot boot.
Yeah, and then
CV boot.
CV boot, yeah, that's got a nasty hole. So this is the, what did you call this? An exhaust bracket.
Yeah.
Nice. And then the CV boot. But yeah, and then drop it down on the wheels. That's the... God, that stuff is fucking... But yeah. Poor little Jamie. Are you alright, bud? Are you okay, mate? Oh, what? Have you found a bolt? For that?
Look at that.
I ain't going anywhere.
Live again.
Nice one, mate.
And it's a Volkswagen Bolt.
Is it? A Volkswagen Bolt?
Yeah, it's for our Mark IV Volks, isn't it?
These guys, you... Just hearts of gold. Just pure geniuses at work. Super generous and humble, lovely guys. Toyo. 195 50 15 inch. Are you going to put them side by side? So before and after. Was that one of the rear ones though?
Yeah, no, I'm just thinking, right? The comfort of the wheel and the height of it. It's higher, yeah? So the tyres, this tyre's higher than this one.
Yeah.
And the rotation, it'd be a larger rotation.
Right.
Yeah? So you know you see, I can do 55 mile an hour.
Right.
You should be able to do about 65 now.
Yeah, but the engine is like...
Yeah, but it won't be because the gear ratio will be higher.
Well, we can test it out.
Yeah, well, yeah.
That'd be an interesting experiment.
It should be.
On the M25.
The gear ratio should be slightly higher now. So it should be a better ratio. Gear ratio.
Interesting. This is all new science to me. Yeah, show me the clearance then. Show me what I'm looking for with clearance.
Between the shock and the tyre. And that you can definitely get fag paper through there. Look.
Fag paper.
Look, see,
Yeah.
it's still close, but it's good. I've seen them where they've been closer.
Have you?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot better.
Oh yeah.
Just
So
gotta take a little bit out of this arch. Not
Yeah.
too much. Not like dangerous, like, you know, we're just gonna take a little bit off so it don't rub.
do the shoe test. Basically, if you can't get your shoe in there between the tyre and the arch,
Yeah.
you're onto a winner.
All right.
But if you can fit your shoe in there, you need to lower it a touch more. The shoe test, courtesy of Mighty Car Mods.
Nice. Hey, that one.
That's better, isn't it?
That's a lot better.
I reckon, Pete, we should show this one at some point, maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
The T4.
Yeah, good there.
Look at them tyres, mate. Woohoo! But yeah, I'm sure there'll be people would love to see that, especially in America. They call it a Euro van in America.
Yes, they do.
The Euro van. Yeah. Ryan G will love that from Fuck Yeah Volkswagens. This is cool. It's like a little wonderland paradise of like shit boxes, half shit boxes, just ready to be worked on. And then some things that are pretty finished and done and looking nice. It's just a bit of it's a wonderland. Oh, this is the interior that I love.
Round interior.
Sorry to cut you off there.
That's all right. It's got 47,000 on the clock.
47,000 on the clock. Brown interior and tan carpet and tan seats. Oh, that looks nice. Is that yours?
No, it was. Now I've sold it to Fred, or we had a deal with Fred, and Fred's going to have it.
Nice. I like the paint colour though. Cool, man.
That's Type 19.
Type 19.
You can tell by the wipers. This is true Type 19, the way the wipers sit, and it's got port light windows inside.
Oh, do they? Oh, right,
I
yeah.
don't open them.
Sure. Well, I've had another great day. We've got a lot done, haven't we? We've seen a lot. We collected this. Collected this Caddy shell. It's just great, you know. It's just fun learning and being productive, creating with the filmmaking and stuff like that, and getting the drone out and using the drone. But yeah, really enjoying it, you know. I really love this experience, and I appreciate Matty for taking me under his wing for a couple of days and showing me what's what. And dinner time, meat-free burgers, hell yeah. This is my little concoction that I'm really into at the moment. Bagels and burgers. Bagel burgers. What are we watching? Death Race. Death Race 2. JB! Truckosaurus! That is what I call a double cheese bagel burger. Hell yeah! I need a shower so friggin' bad. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Oh my fucking hell! Alright. That's enough. That's enough. I want to get off this ride. Oh. Get the fucking okay. All right. What did I just say? What did I just?